Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith and today I have for you my Boxycharm premium box for October 2022. So if you're interested in seeing which variation I got and what my first and honest opinion is of it, stay tuned. This was sent to me free in PR. I don't usually get sent the Boxycharm premium box. They did send this to me to showcase over on my Instagram story, which is my agreement with them. This YouTube video is just part of my hobby and I like sharing with you my first and honest in time kind of reactions to the box. So basically this is, from my understanding, the Tarte Takeover box for October 2022. If you are interested in the Tarte Takeover box, I do believe you can still grab it. However, that being said, I believe there are multiple variations, but definitely correct me if I'm wrong about that. So anyway, yes, this was sent to me free in PR. I don't know how much the premium box usually costs. Probably should have looked that up before I came in here. I'll put it on the screen right here for you. So again, this was sent to me free in PR, so let me just open it. I have not opened it yet, so let's just see. So the box is purple, so this was a bad color choice for my shirt today. So this is what it looks like. So my variation number is 2210208, so that is 2022 October, and the variation number is 208/PM, so again, premium box. And then you can also use this code BOXY15 at tartecosmetics.com for 15% off plus free shipping. So that's very exciting actually. It excludes bundles, goodie grabs, and holiday collection. Free shipping applies to US orders only. Shipping rates apply for international orders. And then if you're interested, you can also post it over on your Instagram and you can follow Boxycharm and Tarte Cosmetics and tag #BoxyCharmXTarte for a chance to be featured. So keep that in mind, I guess. I will be posting over on Instagram stories, so follow me over there. So let me just get into the box. It looks like there are 6 items in here. Okay, so this is the first item here, and this is the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. And this is a BOXY exclusive, and they say it is a $30 value. Create looks that go from sunrise to sunset with this versatile 9-pan palette of warm matte and shimmer finishes infused with Amazonian clay. These shades mix and match to complement your makeup mood. So just by looking here at the shades on the photo, it seems like this is pretty similar to a lot of the neutral sort of warm kind of color palettes we've been getting recently, but I could be completely off base, so let me know if you think otherwise. So this is the front here, so it has like some stripes, some metallic stripes. It does have a pretty good latch, I would say, and a huge mirror. Okay, so this is as far wide as it opens, just as an FYI. I don't know if anyone else likes to open it wider, but this is the palette for you. So it looks like there are some shades called Adore, Sassy, Element, Brilliant, Enchanting, Icon, Vivid, Delight, and Charming. So it is a very brown shade palette. It doesn't really have like a pop of pink or anything in there. Some of them are like a little bit pulling pink, but they're not like pink. I don't know if that makes sense to you. It is cruelty-free and vegan and is made in Taiwan if you're interested. So again, this is exclusive to BOXY. As somebody who is traveling a lot for work these days and who wears neutral shades all the time, this is a pretty wearable palette, and I would say that I think that this might be a decent one to take with me on business trips because it does have a nice closure and things like that, and there is a mirror. I did recently just buy a new travel mirror. I'll try to link it below if you're interested. It's from Amazon, but it has a nice LED. It was really good, a really nice purchase. So anyway, this one would be nice to pop in my makeup bag for business travel, but I have been getting a lot of neutral palettes recently, but let me just, that was just my honest first impression. That was just like, oh, that's a pretty good one to put in my work bag. Let's move on to the next item. This is the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. It has a $25 value. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna just read it one more time, and if I mess up, then I mess up. The infused with mineral pigments and clay for all-day wear, the rich black liquid liner and creamy matte universal neutral gel liner in this 2-in-1 product combine to create bigger, brighter, more defined eyes. The micro felt tip liquid liner hugs the curves of the lash line, applying pigment smoothly without skipping, while the creamy gel eyeliner instantly brightens eyes to fake a full night's sleep. And this again has a $25 value. Let me go check in my collection back here to see if we have this, because it seems like very familiar to me when I pulled it out. Okay, so it's not exactly the same thing. We got the quick stick in the Allure Beauty box, so it looks somewhat similar, and it's from Tarte as well. So false alarm. So let me just show you this. here. So I'm not going to open the liner, but it just looks like a kind of a felt tip liner, so not super my favorite, but also it's okay. So it says it's ophthalmologist tested, all day long wear, waterproof. And this one is, it does have a pencil on one side, so I'm guessing that's that gel liner, and it's made in China. So this is what it looks like here. So it has that gel liner on the bottom, and then the top is that felt tip. Okay, so I don't know why I thought this would be like revolutionary. It's not. It's just a dual-sided sort of eyeliner product. It is pretty okay. It's not super exciting, but that's the next item. So I'm going to move on to the next one. So I'm actually kind of excited about this one because I have been wanting to try it out. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. It has a $21 value. Get that cushiony pout you've always dreamt of with this all-in-one vegan balm, gloss, color, and treatment. Features 10+ antioxidant-rich fruits to smooth and nourish, and cushion comfort complex to instantly plump and smooth the appearance of pesky lip lines. This Mirror Shine formula is always comfortable, never sticky, and smells like coconut. So I'm like medium about the coconut smell, but let's just see here. It's cruelty-free and vegan. This one is made in Korea if you're interested. Good for 12 months after opening. And I got mine in the shade Orchid. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So I think on the bottom here is how you push up to extend it. So I'm not going to swatch it right now because I do want to do a flat lay, but this is a pretty wearable, it's kind of like a mauve shade. It does smell very much like coconut, so I am somewhat still allergic to coconut. I've gotten over like the whole, like it makes my face swell if I eat like coconut oil things, but a little bit worried about it. But I do think people like that, like, you know, lip plumper thing, but this will be like naturally my lips get plump because I'm allergic to it. So I mean, I'm definitely interested in trying it out, and I'm excited that it came in a box. So let me know below if you've tried it as well. I'm going to move on to the next one, and I'm kind of excited about this one as well. So if you know me, you know that I love skincare more than makeup, but this one is a skincare product from the Tarte brand. So I have been wanting to try this for a while. One of my friends really raves about it. She always gets it whenever they have those make your own boxes or whatever on Tarte. I think another one should be coming out pretty shortly here for the holiday season. But it's the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer and has a $39 value. So it's pretty pricey. I'm gonna let that ambulance go by. Took very long time for that ambulance to go by. I got stuck in traffic and there was a jet. So anyway, this says, wake up to the cooling sensation of this vegan daily gel moisturizer powered by electrolytes that deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping soften and plump the skin's appearance. Keep skin moisturized for 24 hours with this lightweight, non-greasy, water-based gel formula. So again, I'm very excited by it. And then this one is from that Tarte C line. Dermatologist tested, cruelty-free and vegan. And let's see, it's hard to read this because the font is like very light blue on white. This is made in the US if you're interested, and it is good for 6 months after opening. So I'm not going to pop this one open just because I'm working through a lot of different moisturizers right now. This is what it looks like here. So it's just like that hard plastic. And again, I'm very excited to try this out. Actually, I want to see if it smells like anything, so I'm going to open it. Okay, it does have a very, I don't know why I showed you it. It has a lid on it, so I'm not going to open it past that. But it has a very cool, refreshing, clean scent. I don't know if that makes sense. It's not unscented. For lack of a better word, it just smells like a clean scent. I don't know how else to talk about it. So again, I'm excited for it. I kind of wish that the scent wasn't as strong as it is, but that might just be me. And I haven't tried it out to know if it's going to dissipate quickly or not. I was just sniffing, doing a sniff test like a beagle. Okay, going to move on to the next item. I don't know where the beagle thing came from. That was weird. But this is the next product in here. So this is a mascara. So actually I'm kind of excited for this because I was thinking like last month that we haven't gotten mascaras in a while, and I was like, oh, I might actually need to buy one. But this is Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. It has a $24 value. This best-selling mascara is like a push-up brow for your lashes. TM. Sorry, I think that's funny that they trademarked that. It volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. Plus, the vitamin-rich formula conditions with each coat, all while creating darker, more defined lashes. Okay, so I'm definitely interested in that, but kind of grossed out. So I don't like it when my eyelashes look like that. I don't know. They look like little hairy legs. I don't know. That freaks me out. But this is the before and after shot here. Again, I'm not going to open it, but I'm going to just show you what the packaging material says in terms of what it looks like. This is assembled in Taiwan, manufactured in Italy. Good for 6 months after opening. So again, this is what the wand looks like. 360 Magna Lash Wand. And it says push up brow for your lashes. Oh, that's what they TM'd. Okay, I got it. But it says volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes. 24-hour smudge-proof, flake-free wear. Count me in for that because I need that. Plant waxes, rice bran, and olive esters conditioned. It's in the shade black. So I'm going to just open it just to show you what the packaging looks like. Very interesting. I've never held this before. I have heard people kind of mention it, but it comes in like a pouch. I don't know if you can see this. It's like a pleather pouch. It's like the feeling of like, you know when you go to the TJ Maxx section for wallets and you touch some of those card cases? That's what it feels like. It has a little bit of embossing on it. But yeah, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm not going to open it to get air into it, so stay tuned for the vlog series when I eventually get to this mascara. Very excited though. And this is the final product in the box. This is from the Tarte C line again. So this is the Breezy Cream Blush and has a $24 value. Sorry, my allergies are bad, so if I sound like Froggy, that's why. Just tap this silky formula on with your fingertips for a natural color that doesn't fade. Helps you achieve a fresh and youthful appearance by minimizing the look of pores and fine lines, while smoothing and hydrating the skin with slip grip technology, TM, powered by marine plants, coconut, and sodium hyaluronate. So again, $24 value, and I got mine in the shade Pink Sky. So honestly, if that's what shade it actually is, it's very wearable for me. So let me see. Waterproof, hyaluronic acid, mineral pigments, algae, dermatologist tested, cruelty-free and vegan if you're interested. Again, little bit of word here for Tarte. It's very hard to read your writing on your packaging because now this one is a white on the very light blue. It's so hard to read. Maybe I'm old, I don't know. This is made in Italy if you're interested. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It's like a little compact, it's matte plastic, kind of smooth. Mine looks a little bit dinged up, not gonna lie. I don't think it'll come off on camera, but it looks a little bit, it looks like it fell, basically. It got a little smudged. So, no complaints there. I'm just letting you know what it looks like. So let me try to open it. Okay, so it's got that really hard plastic feel that feels somewhat cheap actually. So you know like the hard plastic, sometimes it just feels like it's going to crack completely. That's what I was worried about when I opened it. So that's just my first impression here. It does have a little mirror. This is what the product looks like. So it is a very wearable color for me. So let me just hold it up with the marketing material just to show you. It's a pretty decent match, I would say. But the actual product looks slightly darker to me. Okay, I was worried it was going to smell like coconut. It has like a very small scent to it though. It smells kind of waxy. I don't know if there's like carnauba wax or whatever in here. It has synthetic beeswax in it, so it just smells a little bit waxy to me. But I am excited to try this out. So I have been experimenting with cream blush off camera, so still not very good at it. So it's always very nice to know if it's just like the product or just the user. Probably likely the user, but yeah, so that was the final product in the premium box with the Tarte Takeover. So honestly, if you're a very big Tarte fan, this was a pretty great box. Even for myself, and I'm not a huge Tarte fan, / haven't really tried that many Tarte products, I think it was a pretty decent box actually. So I will definitely be using the makeup wand, the Maracuja Juicy Lip product, and also that moisturizer right here. The other two products I will probably be, oh wait, there's one more product. This one here, the eyeliner. I don't know how to use that gel liner, so I'm gonna have to watch some tutorials on YouTube, but I'm definitely going to use the black side. So it's a pretty good box. 4 out of the 6 for sure I'm using. The other two products, I'm going to try out this Tarte C line because it is a little bit more of the affordable line in my opinion than like the strictly Tarte one. I don't know, maybe it's just my impression, but because of the shade of the packaging, I think it's supposed to be aimed at a little bit younger of an audience. Let me know if I'm wrong or completely off base, you know. But the palette, I would say that I would be very jazzed about this, except for the fact that I just have so many palettes that have the same exact color story. But I might also be slightly wrong. But when I look at this, you know, I'm not a makeup expert, so I'm just like, it's like a brown and pink palette. So I mean, I have a pretty good collection of brown and pink palettes. Let me know what you got in your box, or if you're interested in this box. I do think I have a link below if you're interested. I think it gets you some money off. I'm not entirely sure. They just gave me this code. I think I get a little bit of a commission from it, but feel free to look for coupons. Definitely look for coupons. So overall, I think I would have gotten my money's worth, especially if I would have been a Tarte fan. I would have been like head over heels, I think, for this box. Otherwise, yeah, it's a pretty good box and I would have gotten my money's worth. Let me know below what you got in your box, if you got something different, because I do think there are a few different variations. I might be wrong about that, but I do think that I saw some other potential products that came in here other than the lip product. I think I saw a spoiler on the Boxycharm Instagram page. So that reminds me, if you have not yet followed me over on Instagram, head over there at Eat, Stretch, Explore. I like to post a little bit more of my like daily life stuff over there. Some food I've been eating, some things from my travels, things like that. Because if you're following on the vlog series, you're not going to see what I've been doing for travel for a few months. Just because I'm very far behind and I want to share some of the things, because I really enjoy watching back what I actually was up to like a few months ago. By that I mean like maybe 5 or 6 months ago, as I'm editing. Thank you again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. I'm working on quite a few different videos, and next week I will be opening my Allure Beauty box, and then I'll do my Boxycharm versus Allure Beauty box, and again I'll be doing the base box versus the Allure Beauty box. So if you're interested in any of those videos, I also think that the FabFitFun spoilers are coming out this week, I believe. I'm not a member anymore, so I have to just wait until they release them on Instagram, and I think I'm going to actually have time to sit down and make these spoiler videos for you. So if you are a FabFitFun member and you like the way I make my spoiler videos, definitely consider subscribing and putting the bell icon on for those as well. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.